Hello friend. Welcome to my channel TT, a technical teach for alien. Today I will show you how to stop automatic updates on Windows 10 operating system. If you are fed up with Windows 10 installing updates automatically, then use this guide to stop this behavior. Without wasting time, let's look at the computer screen and see how to do it.
Open the Windows Update setting by searching for it. Here Windows wants to be updated automatically. Let's turn off automatic Windows Update in Windows 10 operating system. Click on Advanced option. Now click Choose how updates are delivered. Now turn off this option. Close this window. Now open the services by searching for it. Scroll down and find the Windows Update option. Now double-click to open it. Now click on Stop to stop it. Then select the Disable option. Now click the Apply button and then click the OK button. Restart your computer. After you complete the steps, Windows 10 will stop installing updates automatically.
I hope it works. If it doesn't work, please let us know. Your feedback will help us to serve you better. If this video helps you, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so I can see you in the next video. Thank you.